Indian cricket stadiums are the testament to the country's deep-rooted passion for the cricket. These magnificent venues embody the rich cricketing heritage of the India and offer an experience like no other. From the roar of the crowd to the electric atmosphere, stepping into an Indian cricket stadium is a sensory delight for the fans and players alike. One cannot help but be captivated by the sheer size, grandeur of these stadiums. With seating capacities ranging from tens of thousands to over 100,000, they can accommodate a massive influx of enthusiastic spectators. The sight of a sea of charming fans draped into team colors and waving flags creates an awe-inspiring spectacle that truly amplifies the thrill of the game. Beyond their impressive size, Indian cricket stadiums boast state-of-the-art faculties that enhance the overall experience. From modern amenities to excellent seating arrangements, these venues ensure that fans are comfortable and can fully immerse themselves in the game. Moreover, the well-maintained pitches and well-manicured outfields provides the ideal stage for players to showcase their skills. The atmosphere within Indian cricket stadium is electric. The passion, the enthusiasm, and unwavering support of fans reverberate throughout the venue, creating an incredible energy that fuels the players' performances. The chants, cheer, and applause resonate in unison, creating an intoxicating ambience that sets the stage for unforgettable cricketing moments. Moreover, these stadiums have witnessed some of the most historic and memorable matches in cricket history. From thrilling victories to epic comebacks, they have been stage for countless moments that inspired many people of the sport. The legacy and heritage associated with Indian cricket stadium make them hallowed grounds that holds a special place in the hearts of cricket fans. In conclusion, the Indian cricket stadiums are nothing short of wonders. They represent the heartbeat of a nation that breathes and lives cricket. With their awe-inspiring size, modern facilities, passionate atmosphere, and storied history, this stadium provides an unparalleled experience that leaves an incredible mark on any fortunate